Hey, what is up, everyone? It's your boy AB back with another video right here on EuroAutoEnthusiast, and welcome back to another episode. You know what? I don't even know what episode this is. Troubleshooting this F10 5 series, so I got to do something about that. Well, go figure, today of all days, I think any day of any day, isn't the best time for your BMW to put you down. Getting ready to disconnect the negative terminal on the battery and see if that resets the computer into allowing for me to start this car and drive off. I think I know the culprit. I think I know what has happened. We'll get into that here in just a moment. But for now, let's see if we can get this car started. Otherwise, we got to call and get it towed. Nope. All right, guys, so I am here. I'm ready to drop the car off now so that we can get these parts done. I kind of redid the list of things I'm gonna have done here. I'll go into that a little bit more